Ring have been innovating in the security space for quite some time, and it really all started with adding high-definition cameras to your doorbells. They then later ventured into more traditional security cameras. They've dabbled with floodlights that have security cameras on them, lighting signs to put off opportunistic criminals, and now, not content at their current lineup, they've continued to innovate with a security camera underslung underneath a drone. Now, this unit is set to come out in 2021. It, to me, looks a bit like one of their Ring doorbells strapped beneath a drone. But what really is interesting about this device is it integrates with their Ring home alarm system. So if you've set that alarm to away mode and your alarm triggers, this device whirs into action, lifts up off its makeshift helipad, and it patrols around your house, all while streaming high-definition video up to their cloud service. And like all of their other devices, you'll be able to access that wherever you may be in the world via the Ring app. That's the beauty of the HD video going up to the cloud. Now, it really does feel like we're living in Back to the Future 2. It really does feel like we're living in the future. We are very close to having drones floating around our house, chasing potential intruders away. It's very early days, and Ring have been a little bit cagey on all of the details, so it's not entirely clear what the complete feature set of this device is going to look like. I suspect what we're likely to see is the same as all their other products, which is they continue to iterate them after they've launched. So I suspect that feature set will get richer and richer and deeper as time goes on. Of course, there are obvious safety and privacy considerations, but I'm pretty confident even the most determined burglar in the world, with an alarm that's blaring in the background and a drone with presumably the same kind of normal propeller noise that you would hear from a drone whipping around the corner in a house and coming at them, I think that's going to be enough to put even the most determined criminal off. So, a really interesting product coming from Ring in 2021. Looks like it's set to retail for about $250 US. Assume about the same in euros and UK pounds. Not clear whether it's worldwide launch. It does reference the US at the moment, and there have been, in particular, their Neighbourhood Watch service never came out in the UK, but unless there's some kind of legislation challenges, I can't see why they wouldn't release that worldwide. So interesting times ahead. There's a couple of other products they're looking at around cars, in particular, one that will detect shunts and bumps and tows and that kind of thing. They're also doing tighter integration with the camera systems available in the Teslas. So great to see that they're not resting on the laurels, continuing to innovate, continuing to drive the security field forward. So life is really nerdy, and therefore life is really good. So there we go, guys, an upcoming hovering drone security camera from Ring that integrates into their alarm system. As always, I hope you're really well wherever in the world you are. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.